Just like any other subject, your 12 math mainly builds on what you have learned in year 11. But alongside P1 and P2, you will be required to choose a separate module, either statistics or mechanics. I hope this will help you in choosing the right module for you. Mechanics 1 is very similar to the mechanics chapter in AS Physics. It covers kinematics, dynamics, moments, and vectors, all of which you will become familiar with soon in your physics lessons. If you have any interest in physics like I do, then mechanics is the one for you. Statistics, however, involves a lot of number crunching, data, and formulas. In my opinion, the chapters are very straightforward and doesn't require as much effort to solve the questions. But you need to be very careful not to misread the question and use wrong data in your calculation. You need to be very precise with your calculator because there's a lot of numbers and one wrong input will make an answer inaccurate. Here are some examples of M1 questions. As you can see, the questions are very physics related. For example, this one's about SUVAD, which involves speed and acceleration. The next one shows a question regarding forces and angles. And lastly, moments from 2 points. In S1, there will be a lot of data, as you can see here, on probability questions in the form of Venn diagrams, as well as tree diagrams. As you can see in these pictures, S1 has a lower grade boundary than M1. This is because Edexcel presumes most of the grade A students will choose M1, so they up the required marks for an A. So technically, it's easier to achieve a higher grade in S1 compared to M1. Some additional points. If you are graduating in year 12, I would strongly suggest taking S1 as this is easier than M1 and increases the chance of getting higher UMS, reducing the pressure on your P1 and P2 exams. However, if you're staying for year 13 and you're taking physics as one of your subjects in AS, then I think it would be beneficial for you to take M1 in year 12, as this module will help you solidify your understanding in a mechanics unit in physics. This will also help you in university if you are going to do engineering more so than S1. In the end, the choice really comes down to what you want to do with your future careers, as both M1 and S1 support two very different professions. Thank you.